Fidelity Cash Management Account Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? If you're considering a Fidelity Cash Management account in 2025, you're probably wondering if it's the right choice for your money or if it's better to look elsewhere. Cash management accounts, or CMA, have grown in popularity in recent years, blending the features of traditional checking accounts with the flexibility and investment advantages of brokerage accounts. Fidelity, known for its robust investment platforms, offers a CMA that promises convenience, security, and some unique benefits, but as with any financial product, there are trade-offs. In this comprehensive review, we'll break down everything you need to know to decide whether the Fidelity Cash Management account is worth it or leave it. Let's start with the basics. A Fidelity Cash Management account is technically a brokerage account designed to handle everyday cash transactions. Unlike traditional bank checking accounts, it integrates directly with your investment accounts, allowing you to move money seamlessly between your CMA and brokerage or retirement accounts. This setup makes it appealing for those who want their cash and investments under one roof, avoiding the hassle of multiple institutions. But how does it really perform in 2025? One of the standout features of a Fidelity CMA is its accessibility. The account comes with a debit card, check writing capabilities, and the ability to pay bills online or set up automatic transfers. Most people get this wrong, thinking it's purely a brokerage tool, but the CMA functions like a traditional checking account in almost every practical sense. You can use it for everyday purchases, withdraw cash from ATMs, or transfer funds instantly between your Fidelity accounts. This flexibility is particularly useful if you're an active investor or someone who likes to maintain liquidity while still keeping money invested. Another major advantage is the interest rate. Fidelity's CMA typically offers a competitive APY on cash balances, often higher than what traditional banks provide on checking accounts. In a low-interest environment, even a fraction of a percent can make a meaningful difference over time. For example, if you maintain a $50,000 balance and earn 2% interest annually, you're looking at $1,000 in passive income, a significant boost compared to most checking accounts that barely earn anything. The interest compounds daily, and it's credited monthly, making it easy to track and maximize your earnings. Security and FDIC coverage are other important aspects. Fidelity partners with program banks to ensure that cash balances are FDIC insured up to $1.25 million, far exceeding the standard $250,000 coverage per bank. This means your money is protected, even though Fidelity itself is not a bank. Fraud monitoring and secure online access provide an additional layer of protection. You won't have to worry about unauthorized transactions or cyber threats as long as you follow standard security practices, like using two-factor authentication and monitoring your account regularly. Fees, or rather, the lack thereof, are another strong selling point. Fidelity CMA has no account fees, no minimum balances, and no overdraft charges if you stay within certain limits. You won't find hidden monthly maintenance fees or charges for standard transactions, which is a relief compared to traditional banks, where small fees can quietly add up. There are no foreign transaction fees either, making it a good choice for frequent travelers. However, if you need specialized services like wire transfers or international payments, small fees may apply, so it's essential to read the fine print. ATM access is simple and straightforward. Fidelity reimburses fees charged by out-of-network ATMs in the U.S., meaning you can access cash virtually anywhere without worrying about extra costs. This benefit alone can save hundreds of dollars a year for people who withdraw cash frequently. Additionally, the CMA debit card can be used for everyday purchases, online shopping, and even mobile payment apps, offering all the convenience of a traditional bank card. Integration with Fidelity's investment platforms is where this account truly shines. You can link your CMA to brokerage accounts, retirement accounts, or Fidelity's investment funds seamlessly. This allows for instant transfers, automatic investment funding, and consolidated tracking of your finances. If you're a frequent investor, this eliminates the friction of moving money between separate accounts at different institutions. For instance, you could sell some stocks and have the cash immediately available in your CMA to pay bills or fund your next investment. No waiting days for bank transfers. Rewards and perks are more subtle than a traditional credit card, but they exist in the form of higher liquidity and investment opportunities. The CMA can be paired with Fidelity's cash management tools like automated investing, goal tracking, and portfolio analysis. These features help users make the most of their idle cash, optimizing it for both short-term spending needs and long-term growth. Essentially, you're turning what would be a dormant checking account into a productive financial hub. However, no account is perfect, and it's important to consider potential drawbacks. First, while Fidelity CMA functions like a checking account, it's technically a brokerage account. This means it doesn't come with some traditional banking protections, like certain overdraft programs or branch-based support. Although customer service is robust and available by phone or online, there's no walk-in branch for in-person transactions. If you're someone who prefers face-to-face banking, this may be a limitation. Another consideration is that while FDIC insurance is extensive, it's technically provided through partner banks. Some users might prefer having direct accounts at a bank where the institution itself is insured. Additionally, some people may find the interface more geared toward investors rather than casual spenders. While the online and mobile platforms are intuitive, they are rich with investment features that may feel overwhelming if your goal is simply everyday banking. Let's look at some practical examples to illustrate. Jessica maintains a $20,000 balance in her CMA while actively investing in Fidelity mutual funds and ETFs. She uses the debit card for everyday purchases, reimbursed ATM withdrawals, and automatic bill payments. The CMA interest, combined with strategic fund transfers, allows her to earn an extra $400 annually, all while keeping her money flexible and secure. For her, the CMA is clearly worth it because it consolidates her banking and investing in one place. On the other hand, Mark prefers visiting a local bank branch for every transaction, from depositing checks to in-person consultations. While Fidelity offers robust online support, Mark misses the tactile banking experience and feels less comfortable with a purely digital interface. For him, a traditional checking account at a local bank might be more suitable, even if the interest rates are lower. In this case, the CMA might be better left aside. Another strength is ease of account opening and maintenance. Fidelity allows for instant online application, funding, and card issuance. There's no waiting for account approval or complicated paperwork, which is ideal for tech-savvy users. Most people overlook how much time and hassle this can save compared to traditional banking methods. In terms of budgeting and financial tracking, the CMA integrates with Fidelity's tools to provide spending insights, account categorization, and goal-based savings plans. This makes it easy to track where your money goes each month, set aside funds for specific objectives, or optimize investment contributions. The real-time visibility and mobile alerts help prevent overspending and encourage smart financial management. One area where the CMA might not excel is cash handling. While you can deposit checks via mobile deposit, frequent cash deposits can be cumbersome. Unlike traditional banks, you may need to use partner banks or deposit via ATMs, which can be less convenient for people who handle a lot of physical cash regularly. Another factor to consider is international usage. While there are no foreign transaction fees, and ATM reimbursements are US-based, international cash withdrawals can be limited depending on the ATM network. Travelers should verify access in their destination country to avoid inconvenience. That said, for most users, the CMA works well both domestically and abroad, especially for card-based transactions. So, what's the bottom line? Is a Fidelity cash management account worth it in 2025? For individuals who want a modern, flexible, and secure account that integrates seamlessly with investments, the answer is a resounding yes. The CMA offers competitive interest rates, no account fees, robust security, ATM fee reimbursements, and strong online tools benefits that few traditional checking accounts match. It's especially appealing for those who actively manage investments and want a single platform for cash and assets. However, if you prioritize in-person banking, frequent cash deposits, or require complex banking services with branch access, a traditional bank may still be more appropriate. The CMA shines for tech-savvy users, investors, and those who value convenience, high liquidity, and low fees. In conclusion, the Fidelity Cash Management Account is a versatile financial tool that effectively blends checking account convenience with investment account flexibility. In 2025, it continues to offer strong interest rates, no fees, extensive FDIC coverage, and seamless integration with Fidelity's investment platforms. For most users, it's worth opening, especially if you value digital banking, interest on cash, and consolidated financial management. For those seeking traditional in-person services, it may be better to